Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid, which is necessary for digestion, rises into the esophagus. This reversal of action can result in a variety of symptoms such as gas, a bitter taste in the mouth, and heartburn. Some people develop more serious conditions over time, such as esophageal damage and even cancer. The symptoms of acid reflux are usually simple to treat. Here is an easy natural ways to treat acid reflux with mixed apple cider vinegar, celery, and cucumber juice.
Acid reflux is actually your body's inability to produce as much HCl, or the hydrochloric acid, in your stomach as it needs to digest the food and to maintain that homeostasis of the gut. Often acid reflux is a sign of H. pylori. So I'm going to show you some easy natural ways that you can start implementing right away to hopefully make it subside, feel better, have more energy, and not have to worry about acid reflux. It can be embarrassing. You get the burps, the hiccups, the stomach, the heartburn. You have to take out your medication and have it before you eat a meal. It can be pretty inconvenient. And if we do anything at FitLife TV, it's to bring more convenience to you. What can we do? In a second, I'm going to show you a juice recipe that will really help with it. But first, let's talk about some tangible tips, tools, and strategies that you can implement in your life. Now, I'm going to make a juice recipe. Come on over here. What do we got? We got 1 cucumber, 3 stalks of celery, some collard greens, and I love these things. We have a half of a Granny Smith apple. Green apple has a little bit less sugar than red apple. It's not quite as sweet either. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and this is the acid reflux juice recipe. It's going to help you out. Here we go. That apple actually has a nice kick to it. Apple cider vinegar, I probably put about 2 tablespoons in here. You could back off of it a little bit if you want to. It's really, really good. Love this juice recipe.